Hey everyone, welcome back to Entrepreneur Brain. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and crucial events in Bitcoin's life cycle, the Bitcoin halving. What is it? Why does it happen? And most importantly, how can it impact you as an investor or enthusiast? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Bitcoin halving is such a game changer. Let's jump in. First things first, what is a Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin runs on a decentralized network powered by miners who validate transactions. As a reward, miners receive Bitcoin for their efforts. However, this reward isn't constant. Every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years, the reward is cut in half. This process is called the Bitcoin halving. So, if miners were earning 12.5 Bitcoins per block, after a halving, they'd only get 6.25. Why does this happen? It's all about controlling supply and simulating scarcity, much like gold. Bitcoin supply is limited to 21 million coins. The halving ensures we don't hit that cap too quickly, keeping the network secure and the value, well, valuable. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The first Bitcoin halving happened in 2012. Back then, the reward went from 50 Bitcoins to 25 per block. And guess what? The price of Bitcoin skyrocketed from around $12 to over $1,000 within a year. The 2016 halving saw a similar pattern, with Bitcoin's price climbing from $650 to nearly $20,000 over the following year and a half. Then came the 2020 halving, which propelled Bitcoin to its all-time high of over $60,000 in 2021. Each halving seems to trigger a bull run. But why does this happen? That's where things get really interesting. The halving directly affects Bitcoin's supply. With fewer new coins entering circulation, scarcity increases. At the same time, demand for Bitcoin often rises as more people become aware of its potential. It's basic economics. When supply decreases and demand stays the same or grows, prices tend to go up. But it's not just about supply and demand. The halving also affects miners, and that's a critical piece of the puzzle. When the mining reward is cut in half, miners earn less for the same amount of work. This can make mining unprofitable for those with outdated or inefficient equipment. As a result, some miners may drop out, reducing competition but also lowering the overall network's hash rate. However, the miners who stick around often benefit long-term. With fewer new coins being mined, the value of Bitcoin can increase, making those smaller rewards more valuable. It's a high-stakes game for miners. The halving doesn't just affect miners or the supply of Bitcoin. It has a ripple effect across the entire crypto ecosystem. Past halvings have often marked the start of major adoption waves, bringing in institutional investors and driving up mainstream interest. Think about it. The 2020 halving was followed by Tesla accepting Bitcoin, PayPal integrating crypto, and countries like El Salvador adopting it as legal tender. These events create a feedback loop. Scarcity drives up price, which drives up interest, which drives up demand. It's a cycle that makes the halving a true game changer. The next Bitcoin halving is expected in 2024, and speculation is already heating up. Some analysts predict Bitcoin could surpass $100,000, while others urge caution, pointing to potential regulatory challenges and market volatility. So, should you invest now? Well, that's up to you. The halving doesn't guarantee a price increase, but history suggests it's a catalyst for major market moves. Here's the bottom line. The Bitcoin halving is more than just a technical event. It's a carefully designed mechanism that keeps Bitcoin scarce, valuable, and increasingly adopted. Whether you're a miner, an investor, or just someone curious about crypto, understanding the halving gives you an edge. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the Bitcoin halving? Are you bullish or bearish on its impact? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Entrepreneur Brain. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing wisely.